Hello, my learners. How are you? How are you doing? It's your mathematics teacher, Mark Sultan Izvili. So we start, let's say, revising question 1 and 2. Now we move to question 3, okay, where you should, let's say, show your work. We are waiting for this one to be open. Okay. This one. Okay. We did this here. This is the first question. You can make, let's say, scan or screenshot. Sorry. This is question number 2. Now we move to question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. I'll just erase this one. No need for this because I already explained it. Okay. Okay. Now for the second question, I will also erase this one and this one. Now for question number 2, if y equal exponential minus tangent of x, what is the first derivative of the function? Okay, therefore, here, we'll solve here, learners. I will solve, just make here up. Okay. I can, let's say, now cancel this. Okay. But I will make like that. This is the question. Okay. Now I will come this down. Therefore, here dy with respect to x learns is equal negative the first derivative of tangent. Okay, means d of d with respect to dx of tangent of x between parentheses of tan of x. Then I will close this one, multiply by exponential of this function, multiply by y. Okay, multiply by the function y. Then I will erase this equal sign. So, and the first derivative of tangent, learners, is sec square. So it will be negative, equal negative, sec square of exponential, sec square of exponential, sec square of exponential minus tangent of x. Okay, this is the first derivative of this function. Therefore, the correct answer, learners, is that. Okay, is that this one. Okay, for question number 2, this is how can you show your work. Okay, the question is find dy with respect to x. I'll just make color. And knowing that, for example, if I'm going to use this one, this fact, you should know about something like that. Okay, copy. Then I will paste here, for example, if I have space. Okay, tangent, the first derivative of tangent of f of x, I will just write function here, f of x, okay, is equal to, first is f of x dash, f dash of x, okay, multiply by sec square, multiply by sec square, oh, okay, multiply by, I will use sec square because it's better not to repeat again, sec square of f of x, of f of x, okay, let's see the first derivative of what? Of tangent of x, okay, so we'll use this one, the first derivative of x is 1, then there is a negative sign, should be appeared here in your answer. It will be negative sec square of x exponential negative tangent of x. Okay, therefore, learns the correct answer is this one. Okay, if we suppose that the question will be like that, exponential of tangent of x, so the answer is sec square of x exponential tangent of x. Clear, I thought. Okay, now move to the next question. We move to the second question, which is this. Okay, we have, okay, all the other questions are wrong. I will erase them, okay, or I will keep them, no problem. Now move to the next one. Now if let's say y equal, if y equal cosine square, okay, this is the multiple choice answers, okay, I can, let's say, cancel them, okay, also this one I can cancel them, okay. Now move to the second question. If y equal exponential tangent of x, therefore what is dy with respect to x? Therefore, learners, I will use this one. It will be sec square. It will be sec square. I will use what is done before. I will. This is its rule for the first derivative of tangent of x. I will use it here. Okay, so that I can differentiate this. Here we have. Note that. Okay, the first derivative of tangent of x is equal f dash sec square of x. Okay, so, and also exponential, if also the first derivative also of, and the first derivative of, I will do like that, okay, and the first derivative of exponential f of x, exponential f of x, exponential, I will just make here f of x, f of x is equal to, okay, equal to f dash, equal f dash means the first derivative of the function x multiplied by the function itself, multiplied by the y, okay, equal here, equal sign, multiplied by exponential of f of x. This is the first derivative of exponential f of x. Clear? Therefore, to differentiate this one, learners, you know that the first derivative of exponential tangent of x, it will be sec square of x multiplied by exponential tangent of x. Therefore, I will use this fact, okay, I will just replace f of x one espresso. I need one espresso. I will just write this is tangent of x, tan of x equal tangent prime, or the first derivative of tangent, which is sec square, which is sec square of what? Sec square of x. Why? Because tangent, the first derivative of tangent is sec square. I thought it's clear, learners. I will write here sec, and here square, okay, and here x. I will just erase this one, okay. F tangent of x, of tan of x. So therefore, the first derivative of this equation y equal is that, is sec square, is learners sec square exponential of tangent, okay. The next question, I will just move to the next one. Here we have also if y equal exponential tangent x square minus x, what is the first derivative of this function? I will just use this fact, okay. I will make dy with respect to x, okay. I will write it here. Therefore, I'm going to analyze now to solve, okay. So here, learners, we're told that the first derivative of tangent of x is f dash of x sec square of x. Therefore, the function of x now is what? Is x square minus x. The first derivative of this, I'll just write here. I'll make copy first, then I will paste here. Okay. Therefore, what is the first derivative of x squared minus x? It will be 2x, of course, between brackets, 2x minus 1. Then I will close the brackets, multiply by sec square of x square of x square. I just erase this one, no need. Okay, so x square minus x. This is the first derivative of tangent x squared minus x. Now I will move to differentiate the whole equation. Means I will use this one, copy, then I will write this one of course here y is exponential is okay, I will write it here exponential of tangent x squared. Okay, exponential tangent x squared. I will erase this one. Okay, to differentiate this, first of all, this one is equal to 2x minus 1 sec squared of x squared minus x multiplied by the original function. I will write this here equal. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Yes, put here. Okay. Don't go give you money. Okay. This is the first derivative of tangent exponential tangent x squared minus x. Okay. Just how much? Okay, 500. Take 1 real and give me 500 after. Okay. Thank you. Therefore, we continue. Therefore, this is the correct answer, learners. Okay, I wish that you got the point. How can you differentiate this kind of function? Okay, if, okay, yes, that's it. Okay, I will just, this is the solution, learners. Okay, and try to practice other exercises so that you can also understand how can you differentiate exponential, tangent, exponential, cotangent, sine, cosine, sec, and cosine. Okay, now we move to the next part. Question number 3, write your answer for each 3 questions in the space provided. Be sure that all your work will be, let's say, shown, okay, and use the correct units where applicable. Okay, now we have this one, this question. Sine A equals 12 over 13, cosine A 5 over 13, sine B 8 over 10, cosine B is 6 over 10. Find or calculate the tangent A minus B. Therefore, learn this one. I will use the formula. Okay, this one should be equal, or I will make this one, I will make enter. Okay, to get more space, I will put it here. Okay, yes. Therefore, learners, first of all, we should find tangent of A. Tangent of A, I will write like that. Tangent of A, I will write change sign by tangent, and of A, then of A capital A is equal to sine of cosine, means 12 divided by 13 divided by, means this one. You will divide these two fractions to these two ratios. Okay, means here you see the common denominator will be cancelled out, so it will be 12 divided by 5, 12 over 5. Okay, then tangent of B, learners, is equal to what? Sine of B, which is 8 divided by 12 divided by 10, and cosine of B is 6 divided by 10. Means you are going to divide 8 by 10 and 6 by 10. The denominator value of the two fractions will be cancelled out. It remains only 8 divided by what? 8 divided by 6. Okay, I will just write it like that. It will be 8 divided by 10. Okay, also divided by 6 over 10. This is 6. Okay, this one, learners. Okay, yes, now the 10 will be cancelled out. It will be only 8 over 6 equal 8 divided by 6. Okay, therefore, to apply this tangent A minus B, learners, I will write it here. I will use this one because I need it. Therefore, learners, tangent, I will write tangent A minus B, A minus B is equal to what?